That's a valiant effort today against a very strong Airbus side. I'm sure you're happy with that performance, but not the result.
Yeah, we're obviously disappointed to go out. We wanted to go through. We set the lads up with a game plan that they're not usually used to. So we had like a 5 at the back, 4 in midfield, and not even a 1 up front. It was more a 1 sitting on their 6. But we come away from it, and I think the overwhelming feelings were proud of the lads. They stuck to that game plan. They frustrated a very good Airbus side, and we were still in the game for a long time. We could have went in 1-0 at half time, maybe 2 if we'd have took some chances, but it wasn't meant to be, and that's cup football for you.
It shows you the flexibility of the team as well to change formation for an important game. How does this look for the next few weeks now? Would it be a different formation for every game, or stick to the old ways?
It depends who we're playing. Obviously we can adapt. We've got our own game plans that we like to work on. We like to try and attack teams, attack from the front. But me and Chris went to go and watch Airbus against Col one day, and we've seen how good they were on the counter attack. They've got good players, quick, wide players. So the game plan today was to set up against that, and we'll do the same going forward. But we've got full belief in the team, and we can play whichever way we want to play now. So that's the big thing that we take away from today.
That chance first half could have changed the game for Chris Ellens.
Yeah.
It was a difficult chance, even though it was a yard out to goal. It was still a difficult chance. Would have changed the game.
It was, and it would have. It wouldn't have changed the way we were playing, because we were sitting in anyway, and we were counter-attacking when we could. But yeah, big chances. If they get away from you, they can lose you the game.
Drill next week.
Yeah.
So thoughts on that?
Looking forward to it. We'll be training Thursday. We'll go in there with another game plan, and hopefully we'll get 3 points and extend our lead to the top.
Thank you very much for coming out after the game.
You.
Diolch yn fawr.
Thanks.